开始了吗？开始了。
看看您弄好。我们先把直播间讲。
到点了。喂，到点了。那个别开吧，别让吧。这样。
Hello everyone, welcome to our special live stream from Sunny Group. I'm Monica. As you know that Sunny Group is a leading manufacturer about solid waste recycling machine in China with more than 20 years experience. After these years of development, besides the industrial shredder, crusher, and baling machine, we also provide other solid waste recycling machines such as lithium battery recycling machine, solar panel recycling machine, e-waste recycling machine, cable wire recycling machine, and also the scrap motor radiator recycling machine. And now I'm at our industrial shredder machine production factory. Today, very glad to have you with us for an exclusive behind the scenes look at that something really powerful mobile shredder. Today, we are not just talking about the technology. We will arrange the full test running about the mobile shredder machine. This machine is a game changer for on-site waste materials processing. Today, you are going to witness its strong power. Before we start the machine running, I want to hear from you. Where are you joining us from today? Drop your country and city at the comments area. Also, if you have any questions about this mobile shredder during the machine running, whether it's about the machine engine power, the types of the scrap materials it can process, or the processing capacity, you just leave your message at the comments area. After the machine test running, we will have a dedicated question and answer session to answer your questions. Okay, now, the moment you have been waiting for is coming. Let's welcome our today's start product, mobile shredder. Please follow our camera. As you can see that the mobile shredder, the big beast. And now our operators will arrange the mobile shredder moving to us. For this mobile shredder, it can be controlled by remote control. So later you will see that our operator will manage the machine running just by the remote control. Compared with common double shaft shredder, this mobile shredder has this mobility. It can be moved to any working site. Now we can see that the mobile shredder is moving to us. now the mobile shredder is on its position. Before we start the machine running process. Okay, you can see that the mobile shredder now is on its position. Before we start the machine running process, let's check what we are shredding today. Here we have got some scrap materials. As you can see that we prepared the electric vehicles, computers, printers, and other household appliances. Besides that, we also prepare some tree roots and inching castings. For such larger size and scrap materials, we will conduct the full test running today. So later you will see the mobile shredder running to process. Okay, these materials are we will arrange the processing today, and later we will arrange the full machine test running. Before running, we need to our operators will do the final safety checks, and safety is our priority. So before the running, we need to ensure all the safety guards are in place and the area is clear and all the systems are ready. So you can see that our operators will now do the final checks. Now we do the full test running. Follow our camera. You will see that we are ready to prepare the first batch of scrap materials, the tree roots. Did you see that? When the tree roots enter into the feeding hopper.
往上上楼梯上，上楼梯上。你拿着头了，拿着头了。
Now you can see that these tree roots are already feeding into the hopper, and when they enter into the shredding chamber, the shredding blades will grab and crush them into small size.一会儿排除料，排除料。
你手机啊？
下来排除料。 你们仨都没有手机啊？
我只能在上面。
Now the excited moment is coming, and you can see that the shredding blades are shredding and grabbing these tree roots and crush them into small size. You can see that just a few seconds, the materials already be shredded into small size materials. After shredding, the shredded materials will follow the output conveyor. Now let's mix them up, and we are ready to add in some electric vehicles.他们一会儿走完之后，他们下来再看车辆。
这一个拍完了，先让人们下来，然后往后推点，我们要都堆到一块儿不好看。
好好
然后要一推进过，然后再拍。
好，可以了。
OK 啊。
啊。Now the electrical vehicle is ready, and we are about to process this electrical vehicle. Did you hear that? When the electric vehicle feeding into the shredding chamber, everything sounds smooth and steady. These scrap big size materials can is already processed and crushed them by the mobile shredder in just a few minutes. It's running very smoothly, just like a hot knife through butter. Regarding this mobile shredder, as you can see that from the output conveyor, we also equip the magnetic separator machine to separate out the scrap iron materials. 张总说让你们两个下来，然后一会儿再下来。Already processed the tree roots and the electrical vehicles, and our operators will adjust the mobile shredder direction. Later we will start again to process another type of scrap materials.
哎呦，我不行。
Now the third batch of scrap materials is ready. The engine castings. During our machine running, if you have any questions about this mobile shredder, just leave your questions at the comments area. Later we will answer for you. Okay, the casting engines are already shredded, finished. Now give us some time to prepare the other scrap materials, like the computers, printers, and also other household appliances. We'll show you the full running process later. you also have such similar types of materials, you can also leave your materials and also the processing capacity at the common area. After the machine running, we will answer for you and provide you the solution. Now all the scrap materials finished feeding. We started the machine running now. Now we are adjusting the distance from the between the conveyor and magnetic separator. So after separated by the magnetic separator machine, the iron materials will come out. Okay, now the shredder machine running is over. The shredder machine running is over. So let's follow our camera. Let's check the final output materials by this mobile shredder. Here, this part is the final output material. Process the tree roots. Is the final material process the scrap metals, such as the computers, printers, and also other household appliances. Here is the and these parts are the final materials. These parts are the final materials separated by the magnetic separator. Okay, how do you think about this mobile shredder machine? Did you impressed by its high efficiency and strong power? So if you have any questions about this mobile shredder, just leave your questions at the comments area. Later we will answer for you and provide you the solution. Or you have any specific materials service, you can also contact us to send us your material. And now let's get close to this mobile shredder. I want to walk you through about this machine's main features. And firstly, I want to introduce you about the cruller. This is the core design of this mobile shredder. It's the mobility. And you can see that this is the cruller of this mobile shredder. It's made of steel materials, so it can be moved to any working site, whether the construction, demolition, or the waste recycling site. You name it. No need the fixed installation. And nextly, I want to introduce you about the second feature. The second feature is regarding its regarding this mobile shredder's feeding system. You can see that there is a large hopper. We feed a variety of scrap materials from this large hopper. Its wide opening ensures we feeding safety loading and high efficiency processing. And the third feature about this mobile shredder is that the shredding unit. Please look at our camera. You can see that the shredding unit, it can be regarded as the heart of our mobile shredder, the shredding chamber. Inside the shredding chamber, there equips our robust and reversatile rotors with a set of shredding blades. And you can see that these shredding blades, its materials is made of wear-resistant steels, and with the hardness about 550. So with the high efficiency and high hardness with shredded blades, it can shred the materials in just a few minutes. Very high efficiency and strong. Nextly, I want to introduce you about first feature about the mobile shredder machine. Here is the output conveyor. It's mainly used to discharge the scrap shredded materials. After we shredding the scrap materials, the shredded materials will follow this output conveyor and output. This output conveyor, it can be adjusted for the height and its direction. Nextly, let me show you about this mobile shredder's power system. The control system. You can see that here is this mobile shredder's control panel. You can operate the machine just one button. The full mobile shredder machine the running and operation can be operated by just one people or two people at a safe distance. And the first feature about this mobile shredder is regarding its diesel engine. This is the power source for this mobile shredder. It's powered by the diesel engine. Regarding this demonstration, is this machine we equip the diesel engine with 300 horsepower. This diesel engine is built for reliability and delivers consistent power in the most demanding conditions. Regarding the diesel engine, for our mobile shredder, our general configuration is equipped with Cummins brand. It's worldwide brand, very famous. So if you have any other demands on the diesel engine brands, you can also let us know. We can customize it for you. The above are the main features about the mobile shredder. Do you remember that? Do you remember that about your questions on the mobile shredder? So let's dive into the question and answer session. Regarding the question and answer session, let me answer for you one by one. The first question is what's the maximum capacity for this mobile shredder? Regarding this mobile shredder's processing capacity, it actually depends on your material's density. For example, today the mobile shredder with the diesel engine 300 horsepower. So if processing wood, the processing capacity will be about 15 to 20 tons per hour. And if processing scrap metals like the computer, printer, and other household appliances, its processing capacity is about 15 to 25 tons per hour. If processing the construction waste, its processing capacity is about 90 to 130 tons per hour. If you want to process the urban household waste, for this mobile shredder, the processing capacity is about 80 tons per hour. So how about your raw materials? Just contact us and send us your raw materials picture and tell us your processing capacity. We will give you the solution. Okay, and the second question is how about this machine's blades and its quantity? Regarding today our mobile shredder, the shredder blades, we equip the quantity about 14 pieces, and the blade thickness is about 100 millimeter. The blade material is made of wear-resistant steel materials with the hardness of 550. It generally depends on your raw materials density. So, regarding the blade thickness and diameter, it mainly depends on your raw material. We can customize. If you also have any questions about the machine configuration, you can contact us and leave your contact information. We will give you the detailed offer. The third question is that how do I get this machine quotation? Okay, for this question, you just leave your for the machine pricing and the machine configuration details. You just need to leave your name and contact details such as email address or WhatsApp number at the comments area. When we see it, our salesperson will get back to you and give you the solution. Okay, the above are the simple introduction and the machine running of this mobile shredder. Now I will show you around our industrial shredder machine production factory. I want to show you another series of our main products. Let's follow our camera. And this one is our single shaft shredder machine. For this single shaft shredder machine, it's very easy to process the scrap cable wires or the plastic pipes. So if you have some similar materials, you can also contact us to get the information about this single shaft shredder machine. For this single shaft shredder machine, inside the shredding chamber, when you put the materials inside the shredding chamber, the hydraulic cylinder will push your materials go into the shredding blades. It will shred the materials into small size. And inside the machine, there also have the screen. It can control the final output size. So the final size will be evenly. And regarding this machine, here is our spiral shredder machine. For this machine, it's very suitable to. For this machine, it's suitable to process the scrap plastic film and the plastic bags, and also the older clothes, the plastic bag, the jumbo bags. For if you have such materials, you can contact me to give you this machine details. And this one, you can see that there is a very small machine. This machine is specially suitable to process the wood pellets. Actually, for the mobile shredder machine and the double shaft shredder machine, it can also process the wood pellets. But compared with the double shaft shredder machine, this machine is small and also the low investment. So if you want a machine to specialize the process wood pellets, you can choose this machine. Here is our hydraulic motor double shaft shredder. And here is our double shaft shredder equipped the feeding conveyor and the output conveyor and also the magnetic separator machine. This one is the tire shredder machine. You can see that outside the double shaft shredder machine, we equip the outer rotary screen. The rotary screen, the screen hole can control the final output size. It's generally processed with the tires with the diameter within 1.2 meters to process the entire tires into about 5 to 8 centimeter blocks. And for the tire blocks, shredded tire blocks, we can process the tire blocks into this rubber granule recycling line to finally get the rubber granule with the output size about 1 to 6 millimeter. If you are now in the waste tire recycling business or you are interested in this machine, you can contact us for more information. And this line is our demonstration for the waste refrigerator recycling line. If you have, we adopt for the waste refrigerator, we adopt the shredding, crushing, and separating method to process the waste refrigerators to finally get the foams and the copper, aluminum, and iron. Okay, that's about a series of men's industrial shredder machine we provide in this industrial shredder machine production factory. So if you have any questions about this mobile shredder or another types shredder machine, you can contact us for more information. Now today our shredder machine running demonstration is almost out of time. If you have, we are almost out of time, so if you have missed any part of it, don't worry. We will post the full recorded video on our channel later, so you can watch the full running process again. If you are now in the recycling business, whether in the construction waste recycling or the waste management business, the mobile shredder is a partner you need to do to boost your productivity or profitability. So take action now and contact us for more information. Okay, everyone. The mobile shredder, today's mobile shredder running is over. We will see you at the next one. So bye bye. Thank you so much to join us.